The app Lenza is making $1 million a day. First of all, what is Lenza? How can you jump on this trend of AI? Well, we're going to talk about what this is and how you can start finding business ideas to enter this space. First of all, what is Lenza? Well, Lenza is a platform where you can start making AI images of yourself, and they look pretty great. If you look around the internet, people are doing this all over the place. Celebrities of all types are making these different AI uh, these photos, and because of this, this company is crushing it. But this is a bigger trend with AI and what's going on. For example, with OpenAI, they have stuff with ChatGPT, who just crossed over 1 million users in less than 5 days. All of these things are speaking to a larger trends that people are making serious money, serious businesses using this technology. So, how could you start capitalizing on Chat GPT that just got released, and there's a link down below to know more about that, or even looking at AI where it do something with images, what we see over here with Lenza. What could you do? Well, if I'm looking at something like Chat GTP, where I could be asking a platform questions and then it's giving me answers and it's giving me content, I would be looking at 5 different key areas, and I would just look on Fiverr to start getting started of what I possibly could do. For example, number one, copywriting. I just typed in copywriting right here. I see copywriting emails, social media copywriter, landing pages, sales page copywriter, copywriting for websites. So if I'm getting started in the space, I would go on Upwork or Fiverr, say that I can write copy for one of these specific things, say for instance, copyright emails, and then I would use the prompts from Chat GPT to get the writing to start writing these email sequences. Now, you can use Chat GTP to ask it any questions, or you could say, create me a headline for, and then you could do your target audience, and then it could write the headline, so the subject line of the email, and then you can ask it to create 5 bullet points about a need for a certain industry. You can do all those things with Chat GTP. So again, I would look at Fiverr, look at the packages, what people are charging, and then I would just go and start creating a service based off those things. So that's just copywriting. I would do the same thing with marketing, ads. If I was a consultant, say for instance, they wanted me to start brainstorming names of a company or names of a product, I would use Chat GTP. And I would also use it if I'm trying to create different guides. Say, for instance, if I'm trying to make different recipe guides, if I'm trying to explain how to do something, say, for instance, knitting, quilting, anything that took step-by-step instructions that I would need, you can use that all with Chat GTP very easily. That's all right there. But OpenAI doesn't just have that. They also created Whisper and Dolly. Dolly allows you to create realistic images just by typing in a few different words. So just like right here, astronaut, riding a horse, and then a photorealistic style. I can change that. Teddy bear mixing sprinkled chemicals as a mad scientist as a 1990s Saturday morning cartoon, right? Or digital art. So you can see how it changes. There's a lot of things that you can be doing with Dolly as well. So if I'm trying to create different stock images, I could be doing this. And shout out to Mark Fletcher that's doing that with a platform that he just created. I could do that with OpenAI, or something that just came out as well, Whisper, that allows you to have accuracy on English speech recognition. So transcription. So you could be making your own transcription company if you're transcribing podcasts for people. So that's another service that you could be doing. You could be offering to have all the transcriptions done for someone's podcast, so it makes it into blog posts as well. And so as you can see, there's a lot of different things that you could be doing with ChatGTP, what's going on with AI in general. In the comment section down below, let me know what you think about these ideas, if you have more questions, and if you like these kind of videos. Again, if you have more questions, we'll be doing more about AI and what's happening. And again, if you like this kind of content, make sure you like and subscribe. All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye.